This is a 5 meters length Vortex washing machine made for Israeli client for cleaning fruits, vegetables, root crops, and other raw materials. It uses high-speed water flow to create strong vortexes, making materials tumble and rub in water to effectively remove sediment, impurities, insect eggs, and partial pesticide residues compared with traditional spraying or soaking methods. It offers thorough cleaning, low material damage, and high efficiency. Made of food-grade stainless steel, it features a compact, durable structure that meets hygiene standards and is easy to maintain. Its core parts include a water circulation system, vortex generator, material lifting and discharging mechanism, and filtration and sewage system, ideal for vegetable processing plants, central kitchens, food pre-treatment lines, and fresh-cut vegetable enterprises. It suits root crops, leafy greens, and fruits. Welcome to Inquiry.